26 smoothies and drinks to help you poop. Fruity fiber-rich smoothies. Banana spinach smoothie. Potassium plus fiber plus magnesium. Papaya and pineapple smoothie, packed with enzymes like papain and bromelain. Apple and oat smoothie, pectin and soluble fiber for bulk. Pear and ginger smoothie, gentle and gut stimulating. Kiwi banana smoothie, kiwi is known to relieve constipation. Mango lime smoothie, tropical, high fiber, and refreshing. Berry chia smoothie, blueberries, strawberries, and chia seeds. Prune and almond milk smoothie, prunes equals natural laxative. Avocado pineapple smoothie, creamy, full of good fats and fiber. Fig and oat milk smoothie. Figs are fantastic for bowel movements. Hydrating juices and drinks. Warm lemon water AM, classic detox drink to start the day. Aloe vera juice, known to stimulate the bowels. Prune juice, the ultimate constipation drink. Coconut water, natural electrolytes for hydration. Cucumber celery juice, cooling, alkalizing, hydrating. Beetroot juice, supports liver and gut motility. Papaya ginger juice, enzymes and anti-inflammatory. Keys for digestion. Senna tea, herbal laxative, short-term use. Peppermint tea eases bloating and helps gas pass. Ginger tea stimulates digestion. Chamomile tea calms the gut. Licorice root tea, natural laxative and gut soother. Dandelion tea, liver support and mild laxative effect. Fiber-boosting drinks. Psyllium husk drink, high fiber for bulk-forming relief. Chia fresca, chia seed water, great for hydration and bowel movement. Tips for using these drinks. Drink plenty of water with fiber-rich drinks to avoid worsening constipation. Add a probiotic like yogurt or kefir to smoothies to support healthy gut bacteria. Don't overdo laxative teas like senna. They're best for occasional use. Pair with physical movement. Walking helps get things going too.